Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet table runners. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for crocheting. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Creative outlet. Crocheting allows for self-expression and creativity through the choice of pattern, color and design. Personalized decor. You can create a table runner that perfectly matches your home decor style, adding a personal touch to your space. Skill development. Crocheting helps improve dexterity and hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. Stress relief. The repetitive motion of crocheting can be meditative, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. Focus and mindfulness. Crocheting encourages mindfulness as it requires concentration and attention to detail. Customizable size. You can crochet a table runner in any size to fit your specific table dimension. Budget friendly. Making your own table runner can be more cost effective than buying one, especially if you use leftover yarn from other projects. Sustainable crafting. Crochet allows you to repurpose yarn scrap, reducing waste and promoting sustainability. Decorative functionality. A table runner can protect your table from scratches and spills while also enhancing the overall aesthetic. Gifting opportunity. Crocheted table runner make thoughtful and unique gift for wedding, housewarming or holidays. Textural appeal. A texture created through different crochet stitches can add visual interest and dimension to a table setting. Durability. Handmade crochet items are often more durable than mass-produced ones, especially when made with high-quality yarn. Therapeutic. Crocheting is known for its therapeutic benefits, including improving mental health and enhancing relaxation. Sense of accomplishment. Completing a project provides a sense of achievement and pride to your work. Learning opportunity. Crocheting a table runner can teach you new stitches and techniques, broadening your skill set. Seasonal adaptability. You can create table runner for different seasons to holidays, adding festive flair to your home. Textile awareness. Crocheting helps you understand different yarns, fibers and materials, improving your textile knowledge. Handmade touch. A crochet table runner adds a cozy handmade feel to your space that mass-produced item can't replicate. Family heirloom. A well-crafted crochet table runner can become a cherished family heirloom based down through generations. Aesthetic versatility. A crochet table runner can easily complement various styles from rustic to modern or bohemian. Engagement and focus. Crocheting is an activity that requires full attention, which can help improve focus and concentrations. Engagement and focus. Crocheting is an activity that requires full attention, which can help improve focus and concentrations. Promotes patience. The process of crocheting a table runner requires patience, which can be a rewarding skill to develop. Inexpensive crafting hobby. Crocheting generally requires only a few materials, such as yarn and hook, making it an inexpensive hobby to start. Connection with traditions. With a happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Take care. See you.